What if the sun suddenly vanished? Imagine looking up at the sky in the middle of the day, and the sun is simply gone. No explosion, no warning, just an empty, dark sky where the brightest object in our world used to be. Strangely, for the first 8 minutes, nothing would change. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes to travel from the sun to Earth. That light is already on its way. For a short time, the world would continue as normal, completely unaware that the sun has vanished. Then, exactly 8 minutes later, darkness. The sky would suddenly turn black. Stars would become visible in the middle of the day. Streetlights would switch on. People would look up in confusion as night falls instantly across the planet. Without the sun's heat, Earth would begin losing warmth immediately. Within hours, temperatures would start to drop. Within days, the planet would fall below freezing. Rivers, lakes, and soil would begin to harden as frost spreads across the surface. Nearly all weather on Earth is powered by solar energy. Winds, clouds, rain, and storms depend on the sun's heat. Without it, the atmosphere would begin to calm and grow still. The skies would become silent, cold, and motionless. As days turn into weeks without sunlight, the oceans would begin to change. The surface of the water would slowly start to freeze. A thin layer of ice would spread across seas and coastlines, growing thicker over time. But the freezing would not happen all at once. The deep ocean holds a vast amount of stored heat, trapped from centuries of sunlight. This hidden warmth would delay the complete freezing for a long time. Beneath the surface ice, liquid water could still exist for months, even years. In these dark, cold waters, some forms of marine life might survive temporarily, protected by the ocean's remaining heat. The sun does more than give us light and heat. Its gravity is what keeps Earth in orbit. Just like sunlight, gravity's effect travels at the speed of light. About 8 minutes after the sun vanishes, Earth would no longer feel its pull. Our planet would stop moving in a curved orbit and begin traveling in a straight line into deep space. The entire solar system would break apart as every planet drifts away into the darkness. Over the following months, Earth's surface temperature would continue to fall. The oceans would freeze from the top down, forming a thick shell of ice. The atmosphere would begin to condense and fall as snow. Most life on the surface would not survive these extreme conditions. Only deep underground, or near geothermal vents on the ocean floor, might some organisms continue to live. The sun is not just a distant star in the sky. It is the source of nearly all energy that supports life on Earth. It controls our climate, our weather, and even our orbit through space. Without it, our planet would become a frozen, wandering world lost in the universe. The next time you feel sunlight on your skin, remember how much we depend on it.